I'm recording this video because I received my Eachine E058 pocket drone last week and found I could not charge the battery. The battery's been charging. This would be the 6th time I've attempted to charge it. It's been charging for 2 hours and 20 minutes. It had a red light, but as you can see, the red light is now blinking. It started that almost immediately after I plugged it all in. It's plugged into a standard iPad power supply. I tried various power supplies, none of which make any difference. I'll try plugging. Put the video down. I'll try plugging the battery into the drone. Goes in snugly. There's definitely a little click when it goes in. And when you press down the start button, nothing happens. The first time when I tried to plug it in, I got some flashing lights, but then immediately it went no lights at all. So please replace the battery, charging cord. I don't know what else we might do. And please do it as soon as possible. Thank you.